The power of chanting in Yagya. Why mantra are recited loudly. Namaste friends. Today we will embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of Yagya, a scared fire ritual, and delve deeper into the significance of chanting mantra loudly during this powerful practice. The power of Yagya. Yagya, also known as Havan, is deeply rooted Vedic tradition practiced for centuries. It is believed to be bridge between the physical and the spiritual realms, invoking divine blessing and fulfilling desires. The ritual involved the offering of oblations such as ghee, grains, and herbs into a specifically prepared fire while chanting scared mantras. The power of mantra. Mantra chanting is an integral part of yagya. This scared word, often drawn from the Vedic, are believed to possess immense power and vibration with specific energies. The rhythmic chanting of mantras create a powerful sonic resonance that can influence the surrounding environment and elevate the consciousness of participants. Why chant loudly? There are several key reasons why mantra are chanted loudly during yagya. Amplified potency. Chanting loudly specify the Shabda Shakti, the inherent power of sound embedded with mantras. This amplified energy enhances their effectiveness in attractive divine energies and manifesting positive outcomes. Far-reaching impact. Loud chanting ensures the sound waves travel beyond the immediate vicinity, carrying the mantras and their positive vibration to a wider area. This allows others may not be physically present to benefit from the ritual's spiritual power. Positive influence. Chanting aloud create a powerful sound bath, immersing both the chanter and the surrounding environment in a wave of positive vibration. This fosters a sense of peace, harmony, and spiritual awareness, promoting a collective feeling of well-being. A story of mantra power. King Prithu, a legendary figure in Indian mythology, once undertook the daunting task of performing 100 Ashwamedha Yagya, a powerful ritual involving the sacrifices of a horse. After successful completing of 99 yagya, his prose and spiritual status grew so immense that Indra, king of gods, felt threatened and fearing losing his celestial throne. In a desperate attempt to disturb the final yagya, Indra destroying himself and stolen his ritual horse. However, Prithu's son valiantly revived the animal, thwarting Indra's plan. Fueled by Indra's deceit and treachery, Prithu aimed his bow at the heavens. They profound using potential mantra to draw Indra's down and offer him as a sacrifice in the yagya fire. Indra, sensing the imminent danger, pled with Brahmaji, the creator god, for intervention. Brahmaji recognized the gravity of the situation, intervened and saved Indra from the fiery fate. Ultimately, Prithu, moved by the collective pace and Indra's apologies, offered forgiveness. This episode served as a powerful testament to the immense power of mantra in the yagya ritual. It demonstrates how this scared word can be used to achieve desired outcome, overcome obstacle, and promote reconciliation and forgiveness. Conclusion. Chanting mantra loudly during yagya offer numerous benefits. It enhances the potential of the mantra, transmit their positive vibration to a wider area, foster a spiritual atmosphere, and promote inner peace and well-being. Let us embrace this powerful practice and experience its transformative potential. Call to action. If you participate in yagya, make an effort to chant the mantras loudly and feel the power of their vibration. Remember, your voice, your intention, and your faith hold immense power to shape your reality and create a positive impact on the world around you. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of yagya and the power of mantra chanting. May this knowledge inspire you to embrace this scared practice and discover its transformative potential.